So now we're going to talk a little bit about the upholstery division of our business and what we can do for you. Literally, we can do anything. And I have two examples behind me of the maximum effort for us. I mean, these are over-the-top jobs, 100% custom. We're going to take a look at a couple of other things. We're going to look at a convertible top, and I'm going to just show you all of the things that we can do for you in the upholstery division. Tom does all the upholstery work. He does all the convertible tops. He's amazing. It's a second generation upholstery person, came from Minnesota originally. He does a phenomenal job for us, and you'll see that with the views of these vehicles. The truck and the car behind us, like I said, this is maximum effort. This is everything under the sun. It's 100% custom. We can do a lot of other things too. We can redo your original seats. We don't even mind working on the later model cars with the upholstery, doing repairs on seats, repairs on carpeting, the trunks, whatever you need to do. There's nothing that we can't do, and we can do it better than just about anybody you've ever seen. And we'll prove that when Lewis takes pictures of all of these cars. But we're going to show you a couple different versions of what we do and with our upholstery and how we do it and how well it's actually done. Thank you. So this is an example of a convertible top, and it's actually a very difficult convertible top. First of all, it's a 1970 Marquis, and there are very few calls to put convertible tops on a 1970 Marquis. So the quality of the material is not what it should be. It takes a lot of extra effort to make it come out this tight and make it fit this well. The Corvette stuff is a little easier because the products are better. Same with a GTO or a Chevelle. It's a little bit easier to do. And again, we're not opposed to doing something on a Mercedes or something like that, the Porsches. We don't mind doing that as well. So this is one of the few branches of our business that we don't mind working on the European stuff as well. We'll look at some more. So this is just a stock 69 Camaro. It's a decent car. It's a driver quality car. We're putting carpet in it. We've made a provision for the Tremec transmission that's been installed. But this is another example of we're just doing carpet on it. We're just fluffing up what's here, and we insulated the hell out of it, which is another thing that's done over on this side of the building. There's a lot of insulation that's been added to this car, and it makes a huge difference with the acoustical and thermal. So this is a little bit more to look at. So this is an example of a full restoration. And this was a complicated restoration because you can't buy any of these seat covers. There's actually somebody on the West Coast that reproduced this seat cover with the line frequency that's been heat pressed into it the way we wanted it. Right down to the steering wheel. Again, there's somebody on the West Coast that rebuilds the steering wheel and puts it back to the way it's supposed to be. The dash and everything else. This was a full-on restoration. But this is an example of a standard stock interior that we've just put back together exactly the way that it's supposed to be. Sometimes it's more difficult. Most of the time it's easier because a GTO, a Chevelle, or a Corvette, the seat covers are readily available, as is the steering wheel and things like that. This happened to be complicated because it's a four-door Tempest, and it's a bit of an oddity. But this is, again, an example of a standard reproduction, in most cases reproduction, restoration interior, and we can do that without any trouble as well. And again, it doesn't matter if it's a Mercedes or a Porsche or something like that. It's all that stuff is available for it as well.